Mobile gaming has come a long way, but in 2025, one device stands above the rest: the RedMagic 10 Pro. Packed with raw power, futuristic design, and gamer-first features, this phone is built to dominate. In this video, we'll cover 25 reasons why the RedMagic 10 Pro is the best gaming smartphone you can buy this year. Let's jump right in. First up, performance. The RedMagic 10 Pro runs on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, built on a blazing fast 3nm process. This means lightning speed, better efficiency, and up to 40% more graphics power than last year's models. Pair that with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, and this phone loads games and apps faster than you can blink. You can choose from multiple configurations all the way up to a mind-blowing 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. That's desktop level memory inside your pocket. And the best part, unlike most flagships, the RedMagic 10 Pro delivers this insane performance at a surprisingly affordable price, starting at around $650. For what you're getting, that's a steal. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the RedMagic doesn't slow down. It's a performance beast built for everything you throw at it. Now let's talk about what you'll be staring at most of the time: the display. RedMagic gave the 10 Pro a 6.85-inch AMOLED panel with a crisp 1.5K resolution. No notches, no cutouts, just a pure, uninterrupted screen. Gamers will love their 144Hz refresh rate. That's battery smooth visuals, perfect for competitive shooters or high-speed races. And if you're gaming outdoors, no problem. The display pushes up to 2000 nits of brightness, making it super easy to see even in direct sunlight. With ultra-thin bezels and a 95% screen-to-body ratio, it feels like you're holding pure screen in your hand. And RedMagic didn't forget about eye comfort. Features like LTPO and advanced dimming reduce strain during those marathon sessions. Of course, all that power generates heat, and this is where RedMagic's experience really shines. The 10 Pro packs the advanced ICE-X cooling system with liquid metal, a huge vapor chamber, and even a built-in 23,000 RPM cooling fan. That's right, this phone literally has a spinning fan inside it. You can even see it on the transparent model, complete with RGB lighting. It's as futuristic as it gets. Design-wise, it's slim, lightweight, and surprisingly comfortable for long sessions. Unlike many phones with bulky camera bumps, the RedMagic 10 Pro lays flat thanks to its clean back design. And at 229 grams, it's steady but not overwhelming in the hand. Now let's talk endurance. This phone has a huge 7050 mAh battery, one of the biggest in any flagship. That means you can game for hours without worrying about plugging in. And when you do need to charge, the RedMagic 10 Pro supports up to 100-watt fast charging, going from nearly dead to full in under 20 minutes. That's less time charging and more time gaming. But it's the small gaming-focused touches that truly set this phone apart. The built-in shoulder triggers give you console-like controls with a super fast 520Hz touch response. It's like having L1 and R1 buttons on a controller right on your phone. The custom game space UI lets you fine-tune performance, record gameplay, or stream directly to your audience. You can even toggle that internal fan for extra cooling mid-match, and yes, it makes a satisfying little revving sound. RedMagic also added fun extras like Mora, a quirky anime mascot that interacts with you inside the software, and the stereo speakers combined with RGB accents make gaming more immersive than ever. What makes the RedMagic 10 Pro special is how versatile it is. Sure, it's a gaming monster, but it also works beautifully as an everyday phone. The massive battery, gorgeous display, and sleek design make it just as good for productivity, streaming, or business use. And let's not forget, RedMagic has been innovating in the gaming phone market for years, pioneering cooling systems and shoulder triggers way before the competition. With the 10 Pro, they've taken all that experience and packed it into one ultimate device. So there you have it, 25 reasons why the RedMagic 10 Pro is the best gaming smartphone of 2025. It's powerful, it's affordable, it's built for gamers, and it refuses to compromise. If you're serious about mobile gaming, this is the phone to beat. What do you think? Would you choose the RedMagic 10 Pro over something like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.